Hi guys, just thought I'd do a quick final walkthrough video of our Reaside buy-to-let project. So this is the one that the client, the landlord, has purchased themselves. Asked us to do a quick refurb and then let it out. I'm pretty sure I can get a much higher rent here than the market rate. So it's a lovely property, not much needs doing to it. But what I'll do is I'll walk you guys around to show you what we've done. I think you've seen the first video, which I think was the sort of the pre-works video, and then I sent you the second video, which is sort of halfway through the works, and this is the final video to show you the results. I mean, with buy-to-lets, it's really straightforward. There's not a lot of work that needs doing. Well, not a lot of moving components compared to HMO conversions. So let me quickly go over the figures for you. So I think the sort of refurb cost came up. The invoice came up to about 1,500 and a half, 1,500 and a bit. 950 of that, or 950 of 60 of that was actually the materials cost. So labor cost, I think, was about what, 600. It took about a week, I think, in total. And the labor cost, the material cost includes paint, new cabinet doors, just stuff like that. So I think on top of that, the carpet throughout was, I think, 700, and that's supplied only from our supplier, Accredited, our supplier, Heritage Carpets. Really wonderful guy, really wonderful company. We've used them for quite a lot now. In fact, we've used them for every single one of our projects, just because the service quality and the service is great, and the quality of the carpets is good, and they know exactly what we need and what to do as well. Once that's done, and then Richard came in, one second. Richard, the cleaner, one of the cleaning teams, asked them to quickly pop by and do sort of a final end of build clean. Because there wasn't a lot that needs doing here, it should have been relatively straightforward, and thankfully he was actually managed to fit us in. Originally it was meant to be Monday, but it turns out we had a viewing booked in today, so him and his team managed to do it, I think, Saturday night, because it's Sunday now. So really appreciate that sort of pushing us in front of the queue. Let's see, so I'm hoping to get about 900 in rent for this property. I've possibly set to 850. The rent in the area is about 750, 800. So it's a big jump, but we can certainly justify it. What else is there? So there's the cleaning done. Oh, sorry, gas. The gas cert, so our gas engineer is going to pop around, do all the gas stuff, check the boiler, give us the gas cert, and then I've asked Imran to pop around to do the electrical installation condition report as well, so that we've got all the documents in place. EPC's already been done. I think that's it. So let me turn the camera around. Okay, so there's the hallway, completely different. As you can see, new carpet, repainted. Walls are fine. We left that. I've stopped hitting my head on there now, which is good. So new carpets, completely different. Just makes the place look so much better. Touched up the doors where we can. New flooring down here, so matched it with this. It's nice and modern. Reseal, but everything else is more or less the same. Again, carpet. There we go. Brand new house. Obviously we repainted down there. I actually need to get some more lights, some more light bulbs for up there. Don't have anything left in the car. That might change white. Okay, so kitchen. Again, so we've left the worktops, just cleaned it down, and then we got sort of new kitchen cabinet doors. But what we've done is we've not gone for white, we've just gone for an off-white sort of beige colour that matches the worktops so it doesn't look weird. But that's so much better. So it's just modern now. Regrouted throughout and resealed. So resealed with a silicone here. And then just a deep clean. Left that. It's actually a really good decision to leave this the sink in the end, because it is a good sink. It's quite nice and it now matches with everything else. We left the flooring. Repainted throughout. Touched up the door. New door handle. As you can see now it looks brand new. Repainted that. Replaced the fence over there and then just trimmed everything down. Okay. So we left the flooring as it is because it is quite durable, it's quite hard wearing. So this would be where the dining table will go. Back into the living room. Nice lounge. Up the stairs. So we repainted these. They used to be brown, they're now white. Quite durable paint as well. Looks a lot more modern. So this now looks a lot more modern than what it did. And again, that was not expensive at all. In fact, it's really cheap. But good quality products, obviously. We took away all the crap that was there, up there. So now the tenant can put up their own curtains. There you go. Nice and modern. Master bedroom. Admittedly, not the biggest bedrooms in the world, but suitable for a small family. Quiet area as well, so it's really nice around here. Again, repainted all that. Bathroom. Okay, so we're gonna get this removed, I think, and then painted underneath because it's obviously not working. Sealed. Need to sort this panel out because it's a bit loose. And also I found out that when you press this down, I'm not gonna press it now because it's quite loud. It doesn't pop back up, so I need to ask Gavin to pop around and take a look at that, and then replace this as well. But otherwise, that's the bath. Just been regrouted. That one has a bit of paint there, so I need to ask Gavin to clean it off. I think, other than that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, straightforward. Turnaround time was about a week, I think, maybe 2 weeks in total. Just waiting for various things, but hopefully that's been helpful. We've just got the first viewing today. So, and I've not really properly marketed it yet. No, I haven't actually. I've not put it on the market at all. So yeah, I'm actually just taking the pictures, but yeah, we've got everything booked in. Okay, hopefully that's been helpful, and I'll see you guys probably at the Minden Grove one. All right, take care.